This is a huge milestone for our country, and it affects all of us in more way than you might think. By watching this video, you will understand how this achievement can lead to a healthier, more prosperous India. So stay tuned to learn more about the crucial development and what it means for our future. If you find this video informative, do not forget to subscribe for more insightful content and visit my blog for deeper dives into trending topics. In this video, we will be answering many questions. Some of them are: who has achieved the replacement fertility level in India? What does reaching this level mean for our country? Why is population stability important for India? We will be answering many more questions. As of the latest reports, 31 out of 36 states and union territories in India have attained the replacement fertility level of 2.1. But what exactly is the replacement fertility level? It's the average number of children each woman needs to have to keep the population size stable. This means that if every woman has around 2.1 children, the population will neither grow nor shrink dramatically in the long term. This is a significant achievement because it shows that most parts of India are moving towards a more sustainable population growth. Curious about which states are still lagging behind? Reaching the replacement level means that the population will eventually stabilize, preventing the issues associated with overpopulation, like resource depletion, increased population, and strain on infrastructure. A stable population allows for better resource management and planning for future generations. This achievement indicates that India's family planning initiatives are effective in most states. Which states still have higher fertility rates? Let's find out. The shift towards achieving the replacement level did not happen overnight. It has been the result of decades of family planning initiatives and government policies. However, 5 states, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Meghalaya, and Manipur, have still higher fertility rates. These states have not yet reached the replacement level due to various socio-economic factors and access issues. Now you might be wondering why these states are different. Before we move forward, if you are liking this episode, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Meghalaya, and Manipur are the states where fertility rates are still above the desired level. These regions face unique challenges, including lower access to family planning resources, educational barriers, and cultural factors that encourage larger families. These states need targeted efforts to bring their fertility rates down to the replacement level. But why is it so important for these states to achieve population stability? Population stability is crucial for India's sustainable development. A stable population ensures that resources are sufficient for everyone, improves the quality of life, and helps in better planning for healthcare, education, and infrastructure. Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, J.P. Nadda, emphasizes that smaller families lead to healthier families and a healthier nation. When families are smaller, it is easier to provide better healthcare and education to each child, improving the overall quality of life. How is the government planning to help these high fertility states? The government has expanded its fertility planning program into 3 phases: preparatory, community, participation, and service delivery. They are focusing on increasing the use of modern contraceptives, which have already seen a significant rise from 47.8% to 56.5%. Initiatives like Mission Parivar Vikas target high fertility districts to improve access to family planning services. This approach includes awareness campaigns, distributing contraceptive kits, and addressing social barriers that prevent access to family planning. By focusing on education and accessibility, the government aims to bring the states up to the replacement level of fertility. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Also, drop your thoughts in the comments below. How do you think population stability will impact India's future? Your comments motivate me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching this video. You can also check out the videos on the screen if you have liked this one.